but the variations we used to kind of explore those ideas were these.
We started with this little step, 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 step. Then we made it a little fancy, like swoop, a little extra twisty there. One more time for down. Shoot, and twisty twist. Shoot, and triple step.
Different ways to get out of that variation. So where we started with just this step, you could come up with something else to do during those steps, and then also 1, 2, so like 4 counts essentially.
Like a swoop or like a different rhythm. You had some cool ideas.
Yeah, you could stack variations, so something you already know, like use scissor kicks or like Frankie variation or something.
Yeah.
Something you already know. All of that.
Yeah. Yep.
As you were working